In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Elden Ring not loading or launching. First, go to your game and then right click on it. Properties, installed files, and click verify files. This will take a few minutes, and after it's done, you want to click browse. Now look for eldenring.exe. Right click on it, properties, compatibility, and then enable these three options. Click apply, click OK. Go to Steam, settings, downloads. Make sure that this is your region. Select your region. If you can't find your region, then select a close region to your region. Now here, click clear cache. Now test if it works. If it doesn't, then here's what you can do. Go to settings, go to date and time. So here, make sure you adjust the correct date and time and zone, and as you can see, you have to fix the date and time. Just check it over here if it's correct, and the time zone also. Make sure you turn on set time zone automatically and turn these options all on. And once you fix it, click sync now. Then go back and go to language and region. And then make sure you select your region over here. So select your correct region. Then go back and go to graphics. Now here, turn on hardware accelerated GPU. And then over here, find Elden Ring. If you don't find the game, then go to add desktop app and find the game folder and select the .exe folder and then click add. It will look something like this. You will click here and then select high performance, and then you will enable this option. Now go to NVIDIA. So if you have NVIDIA app, you're able to update your graphics drivers from here by clicking drivers and then download. But if you have like AMD or other graphics cards, then you will have to go to their appropriate softwares. You can go to device manager, and this place also allows you to update your drivers by right clicking and then clicking update. Now, before you try to restart the game and reopen it, I recommend going here and just making sure you disable these options. So if you have like unnecessary softwares running here, just make sure you disable them. Like right click and then exit if you have unnecessary softwares, and then go to task manager. Let's write task. Okay, so just type task manager, and here if you see unnecessary softwares running in the background or here, just right click and then end task. You need to exit any unnecessary softwares. Now if you go to startup apps, you need to disable softwares or apps that start automatically and you don't normally use. So these apps will automatically start every time you restart your computer. So make sure you disable them if you don't need them. And once you do this, obviously you want to try to restart your computer, and hopefully this fixes it.